Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of vibrant flavors and exotic aromas with a mouth-watering recipe for Jamaican curry chicken using juicy chicken quarters. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we take you on a culinary journey to the sunny shores of Jamaica. Oscar, Island style. Alright, let's jump right into it. Here's what you'll need for this incredibly delicious dish. For chicken quarters, skin on and bone in, or use whatever cut you prefer. 5 tablespoons of Jamaican curry powder. 2 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 bell pepper, diced. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 6 sprigs of thyme. 1 scotch bonnet pepper, optional or use half for milder heat. 1 can of coconut milk. 2 cups of chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. All-purpose Jamaican chicken seasoning. Salt and pepper to taste. Step 1, marination. Sprinkle those chicken quarters, option, cut quarters into 4 parts or leave them whole, generously with all-purpose Jamaican seasoning, pepper, and our star ingredient, Jamaican curry powder 2 tablespoons. Make sure to rub those flavors in and let the chicken rest for about 30 minutes, so the spices can work their magic. Step 2, browning the chicken. Heat up some vegetable oil in a pot over medium-high heat. Add in your marinated chicken quarters and let them sizzle until they're beautifully browned on all sides. This step helps lock in those amazing flavors. Step 3, building the flavor base. Toss in 3 tablespoons of curry powder and 2 tablespoons all-purpose Jamaican chicken seasoning and stir for a couple minutes, then finely chopped onions and minced garlic. Sauté them until they turn soft and golden, releasing their wonderful aroma. Step 4, the flavor explosion. Add in tomato paste, your diced bell pepper, chopped tomatoes, fresh thyme, and the scotch bonnet pepper. Be careful with that pepper, it's fiery hot. Stir everything together and let these ingredients meld their flavors for a couple of minutes. Step 5, the lusciousness. Pour in the velvety coconut milk, chicken broth, and salt to taste. This will create the rich and creamy sauce that will coat our chicken quarters beautifully. Step 6, simmer to perfection. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the magic happen. Allow your Jamaican curry chicken to simmer gently for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the chicken is tender and cooked through. And there you have it, folks. A tantalizing pot of Jamaican curry chicken with chicken quarters that's bursting with flavor and warmth. Serve this up with some fluffy rice or traditional Jamaican rice and peas for the complete experience. The combination of aromatic spices, creamy coconut milk, and succulent chicken is sure to transport you to the heart of the Caribbean. Your taste buds will thank you. Absolutely divine. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking. Oscar, Island style.